Pudgy, 621 and 905 are in Rathmore as well.
.61 on it, 1023 on Moruge. What do you want, back?
I'll go front.
You want to wait to additionals before breaching, or can we go ahead and breach?
Wait for additionals. Mike, is the commissioner still in pillbox?
Aye, sir.
Tell him to hurry up and get his ass outside.
Gotta process 3 individual criminals.
Damn.
Oh, fuck, okay.
Alright, 10-4, we'll just breach with us two if you want.
Yeah, 10-4, I'm coming.
We'll be on standby and wait for you.
And 555, I'm gonna be responding as well. Just dropping off the last suspect here for Sparkles, and then I'll be there.
Grab the knife. It's like he's stabbed, dude.
I hear active shooting somewhere else.
Oh my god.
Put your hands up.
Oh
Okay,
my
hands
hands.
Hands up. One suspect up front. Oh, he went back in.
He went back inside. I'm gonna go maneuver around to another exit to check and see if he goes out another one. Just watch that one. He's coming out.
555, I'm gonna be 23 here in about 20 seconds.
Show me some hands, mate. He went back in. He's rotating around. No, he's gonna be popping out anyway.
Is anybody being engaged?
4, I'm taking shots.
Shots fired.
Outside or inside?
Back.
Outside, went back inside.
So he's turned red.
Hell yeah.
Style. What was he?
I think he infiltrated. I think he went inside.
I just got guy came out the front. I just downed him. You were standing there for a second. I'm not sure. I think they're trying to clear the building.
Either penetrated or hit him somewhere else other than the vest. It was buckshot, so I mean, point blank. He's got a vest on, might have just knocked him unconscious. Oh
Yeah, I mean, if it's buckshot to the chest, yeah, the wind was just knocked out of him. The wind in his system. But yeah, that buckshot fucked him up.
Hey, y'all coughing?
I did.
Alright.
And,
We just want to rehabilitate you.
10-7 suspect.
I'm running back. I'm not doing all this running. I'm not doing all this fucking running.
Criminal squad.
I'm terrified of where this helicopter is going. Is that fucking Dustin in the helicopter?
Oh, don't instantly grab me. I got 2 feet,
I
fucktard.
knew it was coming, mate. I knew
Remember to
you
call
were
for
I got 2 feet, fucktard.
Yeah, you beat me.
Just make sure you let me go before you put me in.
But not this one for the Moruge, the one for the weekend.
Otherwise, I won't be able to move.
Simple.
So my question is how are you guys gonna charge me with robbery whenever all I did was go in the door? I didn't crack it, and I didn't steal anything.
Yeah, that's going to be settled whenever we search you. So, it's not going to be an actual robbery. It's going to be attempt to robbery. So, an attempt.
How would I attempt to rob when the door was already unlocked?
Do you own the building that you went in?
No, but it's a public building.
No, it's not. It's government.
It's a morgue. It's a morgue, brother.
It's a government building.
You can go to morgues for viewings.
10 minutes of phone time where you can get on the phone and go and see if you can contact the lawyer if you would like.
Yeah, give me some phone time. I'm gonna call someone they like kidnap a cop or something for my release.
Well, when you say stuff like that, I can't give you phone time, can you?
Yes, you can. It is my right to have phone time. Unlock the door, Pookie. Of course. When am I never not cool, Pudgy?
Oh, I'm just wondering, you know.
But yeah, I'm gonna be bailing out, brother.
You're gonna be bailing out?
Yes, I am. No time, all fine. Bailing out, brother.
I'll believe it. I'll believe it.
No, that's an actual thing.
I don't think we can do that anymore.
That's an actual thing. It is. I've bailed out before. It is an actual thing.
High up in here, because I don't know. I'm just gonna get somebody up high up because I seriously don't know. Like I don't know.
You're good. I'm not gonna do no fuck shit, Pudgy, to risk me not being able to bail out. Yeah, you want to go get someone higher up? I think they were in the parking lot.
Well, mate, this lad in here was talking about bailing out. I don't know if they've done anything like that. I've never heard anything like that. I didn't know if that was a thing or not.
No, just offer him different ways as far as like time and you know, he can pay for months off if you'd like, but right now we're not doing any bails, no sir.
Okay.
Let him know it's in the works, but right now we're not. We don't have DOJ in for that.
Alright, simple. Well, mate, so the how it looks right now, they don't have the bailout anymore. They just have the trade for fines for time or something because DOJ's not working anymore, and they have to take the DOJ out. So,
no time
I was issued to give you a trespassing fine. You pay the fine, no time.
Oh, beautiful.
You
So
alright?
all I'm getting is trespassing?
You're getting trespassing, yeah.
That's beautiful.
Why am I opening fire on an officer?
That wasn't me that shot. That wasn't me that shot.
An attempted
Run a GSR
law
test.
enforcement.
And he had possession of that.
Hey, listen,
Possession
listen.
of class 2, possession.
It's actually legal, is it not?
I don't think so. I've just arrested 2 lads
Um,
before you. that
but
just
no,
had
go
the
ahead.
same weapon on them. I just had to give them a
GS
class
Army.
2 weapon.
I submit to a GSR test. It'll come back negative.
Alright.
I do. Under my cuffs, and let me give you my finger.
Right. Dunes, I gotta undo your cuffs. I'm gonna have to take any weapons
let's
off
block
of you.
out.
And maybe you stick poke me or harm me, anything like that.
I'm not gonna fuck with you in any way. I want to get this over as quick as possible. Because I have to take a night, like a nap for nightmares.
I've got some headache issues going on. I'm gonna have to catch a flight. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Take these cuffs off.
But whenever it comes back negative, I get my gun back.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, GS Army.
Oh, you did just go to the hospital? Yeah, so you did just have your
There's a
hands clean
hospital
though,
that
mate.
washes
Yeah.
them clean. Nobody GSR'd them before we
Yeah.
left.
See,
Nope.
and that's where if we got DOJ, you're gonna come into a problem because you're supposed to collect evidence before.
No, let's see,
So
this is what it
as
said.
it
This
stands,
should
the
be SOP of standard operating procedure, so there's no way for me to know that. So that's what I'm
yeah,
saying.
so you can
Alright,
GSR
that
me,
was
it's
the
gonna
suspect
come back
that
negative,
shot.
and the
That
only
was
evidence
the
you'll have
suspect
is
that shot you.
trespassing.
Say that again.
This is the suspect that shot at you behind the morgue. Alright, you heard that, Pudgy?
10-4. They got you positive ID though, is what they're saying. They're your positive ID to the shooter, which that came out the back door, shot at the lad in the black and the brown T-shirt, the brown turtleneck, the long turtleneck.
My question is, how did he see me from around a corner?
You stepped out the back door. When you stepped out the back door, he was running around the corner. You shot him, traded fire with him. When he turned to shoot back at you, you went back in the door.
I'm pretty sure if I look back at my GoPro here,
I got
he
the
was.
I got the body cam. I watched the body cam of his body cam footage.
Okay,
He walks
okay,
around the
okay.
corner. As soon as he
Well,
turns around, you go back in the door.
Get it rolling.
That's only attempted, so it's attempted on one time, and then the trespassing, because you don't even have anything on you that would have pertained to the actual burglary or.
Possession of his firearm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's got the possession of the firearm, so, but I mean, it's technically burglary at most because he didn't steal anything, he didn't rob anything from the actual morgue, he didn't take anything from the morgue in itself. So it's breaking and entering, but it's not stealing. So in the same case, it's just
Burglary.
breaking and entering and possession of the class, and yeah, all right, and attempted. Fuck. Don't do it. What are you doing? Come on.
Now you're locked in. Roles are reversed.
Yeah. Why'd you do what you did?
Why'd you shoot at officers?
Yeah.
You have positive GSR and you're going downtown, buddy.
What is the point of you going to that fucking morgue just to break into it and not rob it? You just want to shoot at officers.
Oh, you got me again. Why are you double cupping me? I'm already in the sale.
Listen, I'm not having a fun time either right now.
Well, let's get this shit over, Pudgy. Okay. Yeah, I plead guilty to the attempted and burglary.
Yeah, what'd you plead guilty to? I can't do that anymore.
I thought you said you can trade time for fun.
I can trade time for fine, but I can't trade fine for time. So I can't give you less time for more funds. I can only give you more funds for other way around. Fuck.
Yeah, it's the same either way you say it. I can pay to not go to jail for as long.
Yeah, but I can't give you absolutely no fucking jail time, is what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
you can give me what, down to 1 month?
I can give you down to 2 months.
Yeah, let's do that.
Right, hold on. Let me do the fucking math real quick, alright? Give me one moment.
It's 1,000 per month, brother. I'll help you out.
Oh, so I know that much, but I gotta give you
Cadet,
half
come
of
here.
the per time that you got already.
Right
So
here.
you got already what you pled guilty to was the
You
accessory
gotta come
or the attempted,
close.
and then
No, I'm fine. I feel safe. I know it.
per one. Oh man, why you got me in here? You can't.
I've got a hostage. No, Pudgy's ready to be done with this. I'm gonna let him back out.
Oh, I was gonna say that you can have one.
Damn, that's fucked up.
All right, I got you down to you're down to 2 months, but with the with the fines that you have for every 3 month, every 1,000 for every month, you had a total of 40 months down to was an
It's okay,
actual.
Pudgy. Just charge me whatever. I'm rich as fuck.
You sure? Because that's
Yes.
fucking that hit in my pockets just looking at it.
What is it, like 60, 70 grand?
Yeah, it's 64,000.
That, brother, that's no problem. I've paid 600,000 in a day before.
Fucking sorry, fucking a sheet,
But
fucking.
I mean, if you want, you can make a donation to the Blueberry, dude.
Yeah, here you
That's
go.
hard out here.
Come over here. I actually have quite a bit of money in cash here.
I don't know. I feel like you're gonna like kill me, dude. You look like a thug.
Step close. Pudgy, tell him he can actually trust me. I don't normally do fuck shit.
Pudgy, I'm about to die. Oh, okay. Yeah, dude. Look, I got free money, dude. What's up,
You
Bob?
might want to let me out because I just body cammed your Blueberry taking a bribe, taking money from a criminal on the job.
Hmm. It was a donation to the Police Society Fund.
Dude, what are you doing? Hurry up, brother.
Right now, what the fuck's wrong?
Flex your U muscle, brother.
I'm rich, bro. Dude gave me like $20, dude.
Brother, I spend more than that on food in a day.
It was 60,400 and like 34.7, but I'm not putting all that
Yes.
extra shit on it.
It was you charged me 60 grand. That ain't shit.
Yeah, it's not shit. What? That's fucking insane. All right, I'm gonna give you 2 months. I gotta give you 2 months, at least 2 months.
Charge me another 400 grand.
Send me. My special number is 121.